Look at him go. I love him. Now, a short little story. I used to be really scared of birds. Like deadly scared. Hello. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Who is that making the noise? Is that you? I'm sorry. Hi, baby. I'm not paying attention to you. I'm sorry. Hello. Yes. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. I think it's a girl. Hi. Hi, sorry. I'm right here. Hello. Hello. Yes, so pretty. You're so pretty. You guys don't want to rock out anymore? You guys were just like going crazy. Yeah, there you go. Upside down. These two are too funny. There you go, pretty. Yeah. Pretty. Hi, pretty. Pretty. Say, I'm pretty. I'm pretty. Say, I'm pretty. Hello. Yes. Dancing birdie. Do, 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 do. Dance, girl. Hello. 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 Yeah. Hello. Hi, pretty girl. Or pretty boy. There's this bird on YouTube that goes, "Mwah, my baby." It's very cute. Oh my goodness, how are you hanging like that? Ah, these guys are so fun, and I used to be really scared of birds. Deathly scared of birds. Like, I would not go near them. I would not touch them. I didn't like them. I was very scared of them. Yay! So pretty. And then I met Gobbles, which was a wild turkey in Stratford. And he was a very well-known turkey, and a lot of people were like bringing stuff to him, and I felt bad because it was like really winter out, and I went to the urgent care that he was near and that he would always hang out in, and it got really close to the car and started pecking at it, and it was just so cute because it was almost like talking to it. It would talk to it, like it would peck it and go, 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 go. And it was just so cute. And then when we would leave, it would run after the car. So, and my dog really loved the bird too. It was really weird. So like twice a week, I would go in that area and I would bring it corn or berries, and we had a little tent for it that people brought in. People took turns and they would, bring it food, but Gobbles went missing. It was Ted. It was a bunch of different names that people named it. And ever since then, I started liking birds. Hi. You guys are so much fun. I wish I could buy you guys. Look at this thing. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, you like me, I like you. You are so pretty. You are so pretty. Yes, you are pretty. Yeah. Pretty song. Pretty song. All right, my friends. I see you guys again soon, okay? Bye, my friends. I see you soon.